Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to generate AI portraits with Photorama app. So let's get started. So here we will open this Photorama app. Okay. So here you have to click on sign in with Google, or you can skip as well. So then do next. Okay. Then here you have to select your age, gender and other things. Ethnicity, do just next. So from here you can just click on the like which type of photo generate. You can just take your prompt and you can generate this type of photo. So by this way you can generate AI type of photo of yours. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.